Hello, and welcome to Nobak's office. My name is Matthias Nobak, and this is where my latest book, Object Design Style Guide, was written. We all know how hard object-oriented programming really is. It's easy to understand the syntax for working with classes, but it's also very easy to end up with a design that's not that good. You need to make all these little decisions along the way. Should this method be public or private? Should I inject this dependency or fetch it when I need it? Should I have getters and setters for every property? Should this be an entity or a value object or maybe a data transfer object? And while you're making all these little decisions, you also need to worry about the end product. Will your object be easy to use? Is it easy to write a test for it? My book will provide you with a set of rules for object design that apply in almost every situation. Following these rules, making them part of your object-oriented programming style, will make programming itself a lot easier for you. It will free your mind, allowing you to focus on the more demanding tasks, like naming things and cache invalidation. There are lots of realistic code examples in this book, and to test your own knowledge, there are exercises for every section consisting of multiple choice questions and small refactoring assignments. The book is already available through Manning's Early Access program. Please take a look at it and let me know what you think. The manuscript isn't final yet, so if anything can be improved, just post a message on the Livebook forum. Don't forget to use the discount code